Hello, I'm Chef Jennifer Booker, the owner and executive chef of Your Resident Gourmet. Today, I'm going to show you how to make celery with peanut butter and raisins. You have your raisins. In this case, I'm going to use a mixture of dried golden raisins, brown raisins, and craisins. We have our smooth and crunchy peanut butter. We blended those together. And we have some fresh celery stalks. So, first things first, let's get a few raisins out of the jar. I'll set that to the side. Have our peanut butter. And then we have our fresh celery. So the main thing with the celery, we just want to get rid of the extra leaves and the pieces of the celery that are really a little too chewy. Now, when I was growing up, we call this dish ants on a log. So we have another name for it. So we have our celery. I'll just cut it to make it a bite-sized piece. And we'll assemble. So, very easy. We'll take our celery and we'll put a little bit of peanut butter right down the center. The nice thing about this is the celery has a natural groove right down the middle. So the peanut butter goes right in there. Do one more. Oops, trying to get away. So we'll tilt that there. And finally, we'll add our raisins or our ants to the log. And we'll just stick those right on top. Oops. We'll do a little mixture, have some craisin, some of the golden raisins, some of our purple grape raisins as well. Now the great thing about this snack, you have your protein from your peanut butter, have a nice source of iron from your raisins. It's bite size and most kids love this. All right, let's just add a couple more raisins. We don't want to be stingy. Looks like we have one more craisin. This one didn't get any. And there you have your celery with peanut butter and raisins, better known as ants on a log.